Hey, what's up everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Mel. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's video, you're going to be checking out this Kaido house Datsun 510 wagon from Mini GT. And I'm not even sure if I pronounced the name correctly or not. Kaido, either way. I was really curious about one of these wagons, and so we're gonna do like a look over of one of these. So this is the box here. Box. So Jun Imai, I'm sure I butchered his last name. Jun Imai. He's a designer for Hot Wheels, so I'm not sure how he's able to moonlight for Mini GT unless he doesn't work for Hot Wheels anymore. I'm not really sure, but I'm wearing gloves for this because this doesn't belong to me, so I want to not mess it up. Let's try to zoom in here a little bit. This is how it comes packaged. Pretty nice, and I like how it's easy to get out of the packaging. And we will take a close look at this. Let me put it up on the turntable. All right, so now with it up on the turntable, you can take a little bit closer look. It's very stance, as the kids call it. It's slammed to the ground. You can see the very wide flares. It's even wider than I thought it was when you look at it there from the back. This is all over die-cast metal base, aluminum rims, rubber tires, and it is spectacular. I did look at it briefly before videoing this, and like I said, this does not belong to me, so I just want to be careful with it. But I got to check it out, and quite an honor to look at one of these up close. But the hood does open on, so it's we'll take a look here. Let me stop spinning around. We'll take a closer look. Really nice details to it. It is, of course, right-hand drive Japanese. It's got the mirrors on the fenders. I think it's interesting the way the base is like an anodized purple color that changes. Really cool. I had not seen one of these in person before. I know I do have some other Mini GTs in the queue here to review. Hopefully I can get that done here soon. But I have not done one of these wagons. I am a fan of the Datsun wagons. I think they're really cool. Got a yellow roll cage in there. See if we can get the hood open. Pretty sure the hood opens. I know it did before. There it goes. Does it have a turbo on the side? Yeah, it looks like it's turbocharged. It says Grady on the intake side. Looks like like an anodized blue fuel rail perhaps there. Kind of hard to see. My eyes aren't as good as they used to be. Really trick though. Like I said, very nicely detailed. I'm not sure if this actually exists or not in real life, this car, this exact one, or if this is just all, fictional, just for a diecast to be produced of it. But the screen, like the grill details look really nice. If I can get my camera to focus. Doesn't want to focus for a reason. And it's hard to see what's going on with the interior with everything being black there. I can kind of tilt it for you guys the best I can. You can sort of see in the cockpit area there. exhaust looks good. And I like this separate panel. This diffuser underneath is actually, you can see there, it does have air flow would go through there. It's a separate piece. Really cool. Really nicely done, nicely painted. The paint's nice on it. The decals look good on it. Just wanted to show you guys that quickly. Really nice if you're into the JDM stuff. Alright, so thanks for watching, everybody. If you like this type of video, be sure to give me a share, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you're not a subscriber, please consider it. Can't beat free. And hit the bell for notification. And I will see you guys next time. Alright, you guys have a good night. See you soon. Bye now.